living. The environment is the foundation of human existence, providing us with air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and natural resources to sustain our lifestyles. However, rapid industrialization, urbanization, deforestation, and overconsumption have placed immense pressure on Earth's ecosystems. Climate change, pollution, and the depletion of natural resources remind us that protecting the environment is no longer a choice but a necessity. Environmental conservation and sustainable living are essential approaches to ensure a balance between human needs and ecological well-being. Environmental conservation. Environmental conservation refers to the responsible management and protection of natural resources to prevent exploitation and degradation. It focuses on preserving biodiversity, protecting forests, conserving water, reducing pollution, and maintaining ecological balance. Conservation is vital because the destruction of ecosystems not only threatens wildlife, but also endangers human survival. For example, deforestation leads to loss of habitat, soil erosion, and rising carbon emissions, which intensify global warming. Efforts such as afforestation, wildlife protection laws, pollution control measures, and renewable energy adoption are important steps in conservation. International agreements, like the Paris Climate Accord, highlight the global commitment to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and safeguarding the planet for future generations. Sustainable living. Sustainable living is the practice of adopting lifestyles and consumption patterns that minimize harm to the environment and ensure resources are available for future generations. It emphasizes using energy-efficient appliances, reducing waste, recycling materials, conserving water, and relying on renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Sustainable agriculture, organic farming, and eco-friendly transportation are also critical to this approach. At the individual level, simple actions like avoiding single-use plastics, planting trees, saving electricity, and choosing public transport can collectively make a big difference. Sustainable living not only protects the environment, but also improves quality of life by promoting healthier, cleaner, and more cost-effective practices. Benefits to society and future generations. Environmental conservation and sustainable living benefit society in multiple ways. Cleaner air and water reduce health risks, while conservation of forests and wetlands helps mitigate the effects of climate change. By promoting renewable energy, we reduce dependency on fossil fuels and create green jobs. Importantly, sustainable practices ensure that natural resources, such as fresh water, fertile soil, and biodiversity, remain available for future generations. Challenges. Despite awareness, many challenges hinder environmental conservation. Population growth, consumerism, weak law enforcement, and lack of awareness contribute to resource exploitation. Developing countries often face the dilemma of balancing economic growth with ecological sustainability. Additionally, global inequalities mean that some regions consume far more resources than others, deepening environmental imbalances. Conclusion. Environmental conservation and sustainable living are two interconnected solutions to today's ecological crisis. Conserving nature ensures the survival of ecosystems, while sustainable living ensures that human development does not compromise the planet's health. Governments, organizations, and individuals must work together to adopt eco-friendly policies and practices. The Earth does not belong to us alone. It is a shared home for future generations. Protecting it is both a duty and a responsibility for all of humanity.